going to show you how I do it. Okay. So the key is that will help you survive is cash flow. Okay. Cash flow is king, not cash. You need cash flow because if the markets comes collapsing down, how are you going to buy the red? What everybody's doing is they're waiting for it to go up, and then their favorite influencer says it's going to 1,000, then it comes collapsing down, they get depressed, and they haven't built any ecosystem. So what we did from 2020 to 2022 is we pulled profits and I built businesses. Okay, I also started a dividend stock portfolio. Okay, now these two things, dividend stock, which pays me cash flow, okay? So these two things right here, when the bear market hit in 2022, okay, went down 80%. Well, guess what? I now had businesses and cash flow, dividend stocks, to go buy more crypto. That's the key. So you need cash flow. Okay, and I'll give you some examples in just a moment. Then my cash flow and my assets outside of debts and non-negotiable, which is living expenses, it goes into assets that beat inflation. It's not about your favorite crypto. It's about beating inflation. You have to decide what beats inflation. Okay, at 3%, about 20 years, you lose half the purchasing power of your dollar. Okay, so I move my US dollar or my assets, my cash flow and income into assets that beat inflation. My two favorite are XRP and BTC. And I'm only buying XRP, BTC, and Solana. I have many other in my portfolio. Just to be clear, people are like, what about the other ones? I have other ones, but I'm only buying XRP, BTC, and Solana. XRP and BTC beat inflation over time because they're deflationary. Okay, then we have protection. Okay, this is where my ecosystem really accelerated, and I am the inventor of what's called CAPL, what I'm showing you right now, DR. I've helped 15,000 people navigate through these economic systems through CAPL DR. Okay, now protection. So what we don't do is we don't listen to hype hopium and these influencers that are hyping you up that it's going to go to $1,000 overnight, right? What we do is we pull profits on the way up. We don't take it all out. I hold 50% forever, just in case they're right. Okay, and I pull profits off the table. Profits are profits are profits, and I pull it down into my own family bank, cash value life insurance. Okay, cash value life insurance. Okay, now what does that do? It creates a protection on my profits are now insured. Okay, if the markets come collapsing down, I have insured profits. But now here's where the magic comes in. Now I have leverage. Okay, so I'll give you an example.